Hey guys, welcome back to a brand new video on this channel. Today I've got a beautiful Nova setup for you. This is episode 2 showing you series of amazing Nova setups, and I believe you guys will consider subscribing to the channel if you love Android customization. Alright, let's begin. First of all, let's look at this very moody wallpaper. It is from Wallpapers, and to make the setup more catchy, I gave a small edit to make the widgets and the icons pop. Both the edited and unedited wallpapers are linked in the description, so go ahead and download them for the setup. Now, let's look at the icon pack. The icon pack is called Kecil Icon pack. It's very nice and simple, not too saturated, made with pastel colors. It doesn't look complicated and makes the setup very clean. Link to it is in the description. So once you've gotten your wallpaper, next is to get the apps used for the setup. If you are into Android customization, I believe you already have Nova Launcher installed, and you might also have KWGT Pro installed. I've provided a backup file for you to make your work on this setup very simple. Just download it, go to your Nova backup and restore settings, and restore it. Once you are done with that, you have the same settings I have on my Android device on your Android device as well. The two widgets on the home screen is from a KWGT widget file called Nebbia KWGT. When you restore the backup file, just tap on the KWGT widgets on the home screen to choose the widgets. And with that, this is episode 2 of the setup series, and I hope you enjoyed it. Once again, if you did, I believe you will consider subscribing to the channel to help me grow. Let me know down in the comment section if you liked it, and also, if you have any challenges setting it up, let me know and I'll be very happy to help. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.